Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, myself Mayur Bilare of Direct Second Year Computer Branch from Zeal Polytechnic, Nare, Pune. Today I am going to give a presentation on collaboration and transition diagram of banking project under the guidance of Mr. V.B. Moite sir. My teammates are Kedare Ashutosh, Kadam Om and Gaikwad Akshapal. This is a presentation of collaboration and transition diagrams on banking project under the guidance of Mr. V.B. Moite sir and with my teammates Om Kadam, Ashutosh Kedare and Akshapal Gaikwad. We are from C division and our group number is 42. Collaboration diagram. It is also called as communication diagram. Now, what is collaboration diagram? It is an illustration of relationship and interaction among software objects in UML. Notation of collaboration diagram are listed below. First, objects. Objects are shown as rectangle with naming labels inside them. The naming labels follow convention as object name, semicolon, class name. Second, actor. It is an instance that invokes the interaction in diagram. Each actor has name and role with one actor initiating entire use case. Third, links. It connects object with actor. Each link is instance where message can be sent. Fourth, message. Messages between objects are shown as labeled arrow. It is communication between object that conveys information. These are the components of diagram. This is actor. This is message between two communicating objects, and these are the objects. As we talked earlier, the naming convention is object name, semicolon, class name. This is the collaborative diagram for bank. Here there are three objects, that is bank, ATM and user, which are going to interact. This diagram is also called as communicating diagram as communication happens between objects. Linking is done between objects for interaction. Here user is linked with bank, so if user wants account information, then they can interact with each other. When user completes the transaction by ATM, then ATM will communicate with bank by updating balance. So like this, many communication links can be created. Now, state transition diagram. State transition diagrams are described all of the states that an object can have, the events under which an object can change state, the condition that must be fulfilled before the transition will occur, and the activities undertaken during the life of an object. State transition diagrams have been used right from the beginning in object-oriented modeling. Notations of state transition diagram is listed below. First, state. It is condition during life of object in which it satisfies some condition, performs some activity or waits for some event. Second, event. It is an occurrence that may trigger a state transition. Types of events are explicit signal and an invocation from inside system. Third, guard. It is Boolean expression in which true enables an event. Fourth, transition. Change of state within an object is called as transition. This is an example of state transition diagram. Here, object is friend. Now, first message is to search friend. Then object will change the state to show list. Here, user sends friend request, so the object changes state. If the friend request gets accepted, then it will change to friend added and then end. If request is rejected, then object will change to friend rejected. If the request is blocked, then object will change to user blocked. So this is how state transition of object takes place. This is state transition diagram for bank. Banking account can remain in two states, that is open and another is closed. When the account is in open state and we have to withdraw the money, but balance is less than 0, that is the money cannot be withdrawn. So the state will change to overdraw, send notice to customer. Now if user deposits money in his or her account, the again account will open and state will change to open state. But if notice is sent and if the balance remains less than 0 for more than 30 days, then the account will become closed and will change to the closed state. And if customer requests for closure of account, then state from open will change to close. So this is the transition diagram for banking project. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much.
Zeal Education Society. Redefining excellence.